Hello everyone, welcome to Arun's Tech First AI Automation Series with NEN. I am Arun and today we will learn how to generate images using Nano with NEN and an open router. So let us begin. Okay, here is what we will learn today. How to generate an image using Nano with NEN and OpenRouter. The browser, let us go to OpenRouter. If you do not have OpenRouter account, you can go to OpenRouter, sign up using your Google Gmail account, and you will be landed in this page. Okay, after that, you create your keys like this, generate a key, for example, test, and we will generate a key like this. Okay, let me paste it somewhere. We will need this later. Now let us go to the workflow. Let us create a form, any form. Take this on, click event. We do not need any authorization. Say and Nano, banana, test. Any name you can give. Then we need form element, right? So this will be prompt, and this will be required field. Okay, that's okay. Let us execute it. Create an image of a monkey fighting with a panda. This is the prompt. I am giving it. So we got the prompt right. Let's go back and we will use an HTTP request. Click on this HTTP request and this will be our post request. Okay. Now come to the OpenRouter. Here you click on the models and write. So this is the Nano image that we will be needing. Okay. Yeah, I need actually this thing. We will be needing this card statement. Okay. So let us copy it. Go to the HTTP request. Then here we will do import card. Paste it for the timing. So this is the OpenRouter UI. Now click on predefined credentials type. Select your credentials type, that will be OpenRouter. Okay. Then here we will create new credentials. Then copy the key previously what we created. Then click on save. Connection tested successfully. So that's okay. Now come down. We need few things here. We do not need this guy. Okay. Okay. Now here we need to do few modifications, and that is this text. Instead of this text, we will use this prompt. Okay. Somewhat it was misplaced. Let me do it again for you guys. We have to paste there. Then we need to remove this because we are generating an image today. Okay, so let us remove it. However, we need to add few things. Okay, guys. So I think we do not need this guy. We have to use a comma here. Then we used to write modalities, modalities, and it will be an array of image, then txt text. This should work. Let us do one thing. Copy this guy. Go to this. This is one. There's one JSON link. I want to verify if this JSON is valid. Yeah, this JSON is valid. Okay. Now let us execute this step. Execute it. Take a while. Yeah, we got the result. Yes, we got this URL. That means we got this result. Okay. Now, in our previous example, I have demonstrated how to convert this into a file using convert to file. Okay. But today I will use a different approach, that is using code. So let us click the code, click on this JavaScript. Okay. Now we will write few codes here. Okay, I have already written the code. I will cut, copy, paste and explain how you can do it very easily. Okay, let me go there. Now see, I copied it. This is the init and input variable. Okay, so just you can go there, say dollar input if you like. You will get this dollar input dot. Then you have to select this all comes. Okay. So it will take all the inputs of the previous field, that is HTTP request. Next, we need to extract this data. So we take a variable constant and a blank variable. Then we use a for loop. Okay, for constant item of input data. Whatever we captured here, it means this variable contains all the previous variables. Whatever elements are there, we will get all. Then from that we need to extract few things. That is, we need to extract the URL. Okay. How can you do that? That URL. This is the URL. If you just drag it there, you get this particular URL. Okay. Then we are just checking if this URL is not having anything, then there will be an error and passing the previous item, whatever is in the item.json. This item is nothing but we are referring to this and continue. This is a check. Okay. Then come now. Remove any data URI prefix if it is there. Now if you see here you get a data prefix, right? We need to remove that thing. So for removal, what we need to do, we have this constant URL, right? We will take that URL and we will remove it, remove the prefix. In our case, this is data. Okay. For that, we used to take another constant, base 64 data equals to the image URL, whatever we define, dot includes then one comma. Okay, and it's a ternary, operator checking. So we are checking first if image.url is containing a comma, and if it is there, then what we need to do? Parse the first element, right? Else you are returning the complete URL. Else first means if this condition is false. Then next, convert base 64 to binary buffer. Okay. So whatever data we captured above base 64 data, we need to convert it to a binary buffer. How can we do that? Simple. Constant binary data equals to buffer.from. Pass this. Okay. And pass its base 64. After that, we will create an output data. Whatever I think we have already defined it, right? Output data. Yeah. Then we are pushing it into that array. JSON. All the elements, okay, of item.content, comma, and also passing the base 64. Whatever we have taken above. Then comma, binary data, and data equals to, this is the format we are giving it. Okay, binary data, my type will be image.png because here it is image.png. Then I am providing a file name, image generated by nanobanana.png, put a comma, close this syntax, and at last we will return the data output. Now let us execute this step. We will get some data definitely. Sometimes it will take longer time. Now see, we got the data. It is telling us it's a 4.3 MB. Let us show the data. I don't want to download. So this is the thing. See, image it is generated, right? Okay. Now if you wish, you can view it here, but I won't view that one. It will be slow. Instead, I will push it to Google Drive. So let's do that. Click here, Google Drive, and upload a file. Here I will be using my own credentials. It will be resources will be file, upload. Okay. Then what we give the file name? We have to give a file name, right? So let's use Nano. created IMP. Now, you guys might have been thinking that we have given a name before why we are giving it in Google Drive also. It will be required for Google Drive, that is a 2-year constraint. And we will be adding here in examples. I have created one folder called examples. Yeah, it is there. So let me push it. Let's push this one. Taking some time because the file is 4.3 MB. Yeah, I think it has pushed the data. Okay, but the node is still executing here. Anyway, let me go and check here. 439, it's 440 now. Let us download this guy. Let us open it. This is the image that was generated. Okay guys, so this is an example of generating image in your anyday workflow using OpenRouter. Okay, in our previous example, we have seen using the native API, Google API. Okay, so we end up today's lesson. I have uploaded this workflow in my Google Drive. Let me just go quickly to the Google Drive. My screen is okay. So this is the folder where I save all the JSONs, including my 2 books and whatever important PDFs notes I create for you guys. It will be always in this folder. Now, in order to access this folder, you just go to the video description, click on the link for my inner circle. You will be redirected to a Google form, fill the form, within a minute you get the link. From this link, you can download the material. So you save this link as your email, okay? So that every time you see new lessons, you will get the corresponding JSON file as well as if any important materials are there, I will also upload it as a PDF or a text. Okay guys? Also request you guys to subscribe it, like and share. And also please do not forget to press that bell icon. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you tomorrow.